Within the admin website's store group settings, we can create a new group or edit an existing group. So in this case, we'll add a group and let's just call it schools. And once we've created a group, we can even make it by default be used for all new affiliates. So I can create a group, say that, okay, new sites are now put into this group. Now, groups allow you to make bulk decisions, just like a product group allows you to make bulk decisions for all the products associated with that group. So one decision I can make is to automatically assign a salesperson to all the orders from that store. I can also set a default contract price level for all sites within that group. That's very helpful because then I don't have to remember to go into each site and assign that contract price level. I can make new sites automatically be added to that group, and thus if I have this level 3 affiliate configured by default, they will be using the level 3 affiliate contract price level. I can also make decisions such as what coupon codes are available to stores within this group, what shipping methods. This is a big one. It's a lot easier to make bulk shipping method decisions to a store group than to have to go into each individual shipping method and make those decisions there. I can also control what products are available to stores within this group, what blank products, and even manual payment methods are available to a store within a group. Once you have added a store group, you can come into an individual website. Within the administration, group settings, you can then assign this site to that group. And moving forward, it'll be using the store group settings to make some of the decisions for this specific site. So by changing this group, we have thus maybe updated which shipping methods are available to customers when they're checking out on this individual site. Hopefully this video is helpful, and thank you for watching.